See, students, and often we have to complain regarding something or the other. Okay, a few weeks back, and it's a real story. 2 weeks back, my cousin has lost her mobile phone, and she was panicking. But some of the neighbors advised her to go to the superintendent of police, or to this FIR, and lodge to the police and lodge an FIR. Yes, we have to do so because it is our right. Okay, students. Now, regarding this only, today I have made one video how to write the format or how to frame the format of the complaint letter. Correct? Now, okay, students. So I decided why not to share with all my students and to everybody what should be the format of the complaint letter. Okay. I know I have to complain, but how to do that? Now, for this, suppose I have made one example here. Write a letter to the superintendent of police of your own town reporting the theft of the cycle. Suppose you have lost your own bicycle or your brother's cycle or sister's cycle, whosoever it is. How to write? First of all, we have to focus on the address. First of all, we have to write our address. My house address. House number 243. Just I have quoted some example. Rajnagar, Ghaziabad. If you want, you can write Ranchi also. That doesn't matter. But यहाँ पर हमारा address होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Okay, our address should be there. The sender's address. This is called as sender. This address. Why sender? Because he or she is complaining or sending the letter to the police officer. Right. Now again, two-faced this arrow, which means we have to leave a line, and date, month and year, right? Again we have to leave a line, and we have to write the address of our superintendent of police. So we have to simply write in examination. If you are getting these type of questions, only you see what you have to write, whom you have to write. Now this is called as receiver's address. Correct, student? This is called as, okay, students. Now I put here, see, look at this. For you people to understand, this is a sender's address, date, month and year, receiver address. Who is going to receive the or receive your letter, his or her address needs to be put up here. Okay. Next one, again two-faced arrow, leaving a line. Next one is subject. What could be the subject? If you have watched my previous video of formal letter writing, I have clearly told you that our subject should be only of one line. Theft of a cycle. Okay, theft of a cycle. This will be a subject. Okay. Don't write loss of a cycle. It will be theft. Means chori hona, past tense of, okay, stealing. So theft of a cycle. After that, if you want, you can add one more line here, no problem. Now after that, leaving a line, you can write respected sir. Okay, if you want here, you can leave a line or else you can continue. That is why I haven't put here two-faced arrow. Respected sir. Clear? What is this? Letter writing. Look at this. I am XYZ of, according to your name. Okay, so I did not get any name, so I have written here just like that only. I am XYZ. Actually, किसी का नाम होता नहीं है. Don't write all this. You may lose your marks. So you will write I am Ayush, I am Riya, whatever XYZ. I am XYZ of Rajnagar. This you have to follow. Rajnagar. Whatever address you are writing here, no, same address will come here. Clear? Comma, which state? Ghaziabad. Full stop. यहाँ खत्म. I beg to lodge a report against the theft of my bicycle from the main bazaar of Main Road town. Correct? Now this, in first paragraph, we have completed this. Now look at this. Now look at the second line. Now the second line is telling us. Now look at the second paragraph, students. I locked my bicycle outside Sangam restaurant. So where I locked it? I locked my bicycle outside Sangam restaurant at about 1 p.m. as I had to take my meal, lunch. There was a heavy rush in the restaurant. Therefore, it took me about an hour in taking my meal. When I came out, comma, to my great surprise, I found the cycle missing. Full stop. I searched everywhere, but I could not collect any clue. Over. Now here if you will see, I have written in how many paragraphs? 1, 2, and this is our third paragraph. Students understanding? Third paragraph because you have to give full detail. Now there are many cycles, okay, in Ghaziabad. So how this superintendent of police is going to find your cycle? So you have to give, if I say landmark of your cycle, you have to describe your cycle. Okay. My bicycle is brand new and its name is Avon Cycle. Name of the company, right? It is black colored bicycle with green chain. So what is the chain here? With a green chain. Okay, with a green chain and its number is 113. Okay, my name is engraved. Engraved means वहाँ पे मेरा नाम भी लिखा है. My name is there on the handle of the bicycle. And what was the name? It could be, if you're writing your name Ayush, so you will write it Ayush. My name is engraved on the handle of the bicycle. So now with this detail, students, it will become very, easy for any police officer to find the cycle. Name of the cycle Avon with green chain, number plate 113. So you are helping the officer here. But you have to describe the cycle. Okay. Or if you have lost your mobile phone, you have to describe that. If you have lost your wristwatch, you have to describe that. Okay. So, in the same manner, it is your duty to describe your stuff, whatever you have lost. Next, come to this paragraph, last one, very important. This, every teacher sees this part, first part, middle part, and the last part. I hope now this is a closure of the letter. How you are going to close your letter? I hope the particulars mentioned above will help you in finding my cycle. You hope kar raha hai. After that, again, now here also if you want you can leave a line, no problem, it's up to you. But if you will leave a line, it will look more beautiful. Okay. Now here you will write, thanking you for the same. Okay, so like that. So since it is thanking you for the same, sorry students, here I have left the line. Okay, finding my cycle, thanking you for the same. So by mistake I have left a line here. No need to leave a line. You can start from the next line. But here karna ki start from the next line. Thanking you for the same. Again two-faced arrow. Leaving a line, indication of leaving a line. Yours faithfully XYZ. क्योंकि हम नेम में XYZ दिए तो here also XYZ. Or if you want, of course you have to write your name Ayush. So I hope students you have understood the format of the the complaint letter also. Now this was the format of the complaint letter. Thank you for watching my video.